Hello, my name's David, a technician at AVARigs Custom Computers, America's leader in custom computing solution and home to over 20,000 unique component options. And today, we're looking at a new case. Looking for a cute and easy to configure gaming PC that doesn't compromise on fun? Discover how our Blissful line makes building an adorable setup a breeze. Today, we are adding a new case option to our wildly successful Blissful line of gaming PCs. Our Blissful line has slimmed down component options compared to our usual configurator and make building an adorable PC easy. Blissful's purpose is to offer customers choice. Adorable pink, purple, green, and blue cases help your computer be the highlight of your setup. Gone are the days of depressing black cases with the same red LEDs. Be gone, doom and gloom. Hyte is launching 3 brand new colorways for the super popular Y70, named Strawberry Milk, Blueberry Milk, and Taro Milk. And we are excited to add these to our case options for Blissful PCs. To start, Strawberry Milk is a pastel pink color. It's like Hyte plucked the color right off a package of Nesquik strawberry and slapped it on a case. Blueberry Milk is a curious shade of blue. It is also a pastel, being lighter than one would expect for a color named blueberry. I'm quite impressed how Hyte has matched the coloring on the plastic versus the coloring on the metal. It really makes a case that feels that much more cohesive. Last is Taro Milk. This one is most dear to me as I love Taro bubble tea, and this color is spot on. I think it's the best looking of the bunch. Now, if for some reason you're unfamiliar with the Hyte Y70, this case is somewhat newer to the market, being released a little more than a year ago. The big upgrade is that the Hyte Y70 is compatible with a touchscreen accessory that replaces the glass panel with a 14.9-inch touchscreen interface. Hyte has worked with a wide range of developers to add widgets and customization options. They've also added cooling improvements due to the feedback on the Y60 and made improvements to ensure that the most powerful components can breathe easily inside our newest PC case. The ventilation design of the Y70 Touch Infinite has been updated and improved for increased airflow throughout the entire chassis. The Hyte Y70 is a dual-chamber fish tank style case with 3 glass pieces wrapping from the front to the side around Hyte's iconic corner cutout. The Y70 is a large case. At 70 liters, it fits up to an eATX motherboard, as well as a vertically mounted 4-slot GPU up to 422 millimeters long. Large power supplies are no issue either, as an ATX unit up to 235 millimeters will fit. Now for liquid cooling, the Y70 is compatible with up to a 360 millimeter AIO in the top and the side. Now if air cooling is more your style, power coolers are limited to 180 millimeters tall. We hope you're as excited as we are for more case options for our Blissful PCs. We've also partnered with Mainframe Customs to provide color-matched sleeved cable options for these PCs as well, allowing you to blend your style with functionality. Whether you're after a bold statement or a more subtle look, our selection process gives you the flexibility to tailor your setup. If you're interested, be sure to check them out on our site via our Signature Series section under Blissful PCs, or contact sales and they can help you configure your perfect system. Once again, my name is David. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and maybe throw a like down below. It'll help us out. In the comments down below, tell me, what color do you think Hyte should go with next? Maybe a bright yellow? Maybe a deep green? Anyways, thank you for joining me on this week's video, and I'll see you next week.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviaridrock.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviadirect.com/community. You can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.